Okay, so here we have a JT Sprockets on the bottom. It's a silver, and Yamaha is OEM black. So I've aligned them like right there approximately, so you can see it's nice and aligned. Right, now the first thing that we notice is that the tip of the Yamaha appears wider. I don't know if that's due to wear. And it does also appear, yeah, maybe slightly shorter, the Yamaha one. Now, if we move over, you'll start to see that the JT sprockets overlaps and seems to stick out. Now, I thought that this was wear, but if you look at the Yamaha one, it's the entire tooth is moved over. It's not just one side, right? If it was worn, because the sprocket would be more hooked on one side, so it's kind of strange. And you can see there it's misaligned, kind of, right? And then once we come back here, that's where I aligned it. It's perfect, right? You can see there, nice and perfect. But as soon as I start going over here, there you can really see that it's just misaligned. And then over on this edge, it seems like it stays kind of aligned. I don't know, it's very weird. You can see there, I'm trying to get the light in there too, but you can see the JT shining through there. And again, it's not just that the Yamaha OEM sprocket is worn, it's like the entire tooth on both sides is moved over, because if it was worn, it would just be one side, right? Or at least that's what I think. Anyways, really weird. Let me know what you think.